Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about CAD, Computer Aided Design. First, our first topic is what is CAD. As we know, the first we read the definition of what is CAD. CAD, Computer Aided Design (CAD) is a technology concerned with the use of computer system to assist in the creation, modification, analysis, and optimization of a design. What say this? Uh, the definition is mm, it is a technology. Computer-aided design is a technology which is concerned with the use of computer system uh, to assist in creation, modification, and analysis and optimization of design. If any design, if we make any design, then there are some processes like creation, modification, analysis, and optimization. These all terms are using in the computer aided design. These called computer aided design. In there is some terms are available like geometric model, design and analysis, design optimization, and drafting and documentation. First of all, geometric model. First of all, we have to do a geometric model, and after that, design and analysis, and after that, design optimization, and after final work is drafting and documentation. There is a 2D and 2D drawing and a 3D drawing of computer aided 2D design and 3D design. Different terminology related to CAD. Different terminology related to CAD. Computer-aided manufacturing is a technology concerned with the use of computer system to plan, manage, inspect, and control manufacturing operation directly or indirectly. Directly or indirectly. What is computer-aided manufacturing? Is a technology concerned with the use of use of computer system. It is a use of computer system to plan, manage, inspect, and control manufacturing operation directly or indirectly. Okay, there is some process in computer manufacturing. First of all, geometric model, process planning, NC part programming, drafting and documentation, inspection and packaging. Phase of CAD. There are some phases of CAD like computer-aided engineering. CAE is a technology concerned with the use of computer system to analyze CAD geometry, allowing the designer to simulate and study how to product will behave. How the product will behave. It is a technology concerned with the use of computer system to analyze CAD geometry, allowing the design to simulate and study how the product will behave. CAD tool. There is some CAD tool available for the computer graphic concept and geometric modeling and design tool. The sets of these three are called as design CAD tools. Like first is computer graphic concept design tool and geometric modeling. These sets are called as a design tool design. Sorry, CAD tools. A difference between the CAD R and CAD, computer-aided drafting and computer-aided design or modeling. So first point of for the computer-aided drafting, this is done after analysis is performed on the geometric model, and the dimensions shown in the computer-aided drafting are saved since these are drawn after analysis. This is generally a 2D drawing. These are made basically for conveying the production design. This this is drawn with reference from the model already created. And computer-aided design or modeling, this is done before analysis is performed on the geometric model. This provides the dimensions which may or may be safe. This is 2D drawing or 3D model. The model is used for design analysis, and the model is actually developed from scratch with different approximation. Component of CAD system, there are some component of CAD system. CAD CAM KI system, the hardware and software. The hardware components of CAD is computing machine, data storage device, communication device, user input device, and user output device. And the software components, solid modeling, assembly modeling, motion simulation, finite element analysis. There are some hardware components of computer-aided design. Graphics device is composed of a display processing unit, a display device, and one more input device. Graphics device is composed of display processing unit, display device, and one more input devices. Input devices like mouse, baseball, data tablet with a puck, keyboard. Output device like a plotter, color, laser printer, laser display. These all.